Cabbage, a leafy green vegetable that often finds itself overshadowed by flashier produce, is a true nutritional powerhouse packed with a plethora of health benefits. From its rich history in various cuisines to its remarkable contributions to our health, cabbage deserves a spot on our plates. Let's dive into the remarkable medical benefits of this humble vegetable. Nutritional profile: cabbage is low in calories, but high in essential nutrients, making it an excellent addition to any diet. A cup of chopped cabbage contains about 22 calories, yet it is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It is particularly rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for immune function and skin health, and vitamin K, essential for bone health and blood clotting. Additionally, cabbage provides fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Antioxidant properties: one of the standout features of cabbage is its impressive antioxidant capacity. Cabbage contains various antioxidants, including polyphenol and glucosinolates, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. This is significant because oxidative stress is linked to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. By incorporating cabbage into your diet, you can help neutralize harmful free radicals and support overall health. Heart health: cabbage is also beneficial for heart health. The high fiber content in cabbage helps to lower cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the potassium found in cabbage helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Studies have shown that diets rich in fruits and vegetables, including cabbage, can significantly lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Digestive health: the fiber content in cabbage plays a critical role in promoting digestive health. It acts as a natural laxative, helping to prevent constipation and maintain a healthy gut. Furthermore, the fermentation of cabbage into sauerkraut or kimchi introduces beneficial probiotics, which can enhance gut health and improve digestion. Probiotics are essential for maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, which is linked to various aspects of overall health, including immunity and mental well-being. Cancer prevention research suggests that the compounds found in cabbage may have cancer-fighting properties. Glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing compounds, are converted during digestion into biologically active compounds that have been shown to possess anti-cancer effects. Studies indicate that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like cabbage is associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancers, including lung, colorectal, and breast cancer. Weight management: for those looking to manage their weight, cabbage is an excellent choice. Its low calorie count, high fiber content, and high water content make it a filling food that can help curb hunger without contributing excessive calories. Incorporating cabbage into salads, soups, and stir-fries can help you feel satisfied and less prone to overeating. Conclusion: cabbage, often overlooked in favor of more popular vegetables, is a true hero in the realm of nutrition. With its wealth of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds, cabbage offers a myriad of health benefits, from supporting heart health to aiding digestion and potentially reducing cancer risk. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, don't pass up this leafy green. Embrace its versatility and enjoy the delicious ways it can enhance your meals while promoting your health. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or cooked in various dishes, cabbage is a simple yet effective way to boost your overall well-being.